starting out with blogging, video editing, and other such creative fields which require constant upgradation. Now, the time has come when your content is as important as the way the content is presented, which brings us to the today's session in which we will try to improve your content and try to provide you as much content as possible so as to keep your audience engaged and entertained. Let's get into it. That is the Envato elements that envato.com has got in store for you. A lot of stuff. Let's see what it has. Firstly we have Envato elements. Envato elements is a subscription based service that presents us with a lot of stock videos, video templates, music, graphics, and this is a subscription based service. So what we will get is unlimited downloads, 50 plus million assets, simple licensing, and anytime cancellation. And these are the pricing plans, and these are some of the reviews. Okay, let's see what is got another one. And nextly we have got Envato Market. This Envato Market is similar to Envato Elements, but the only difference we have here is Envato Elements is subscription based and Envato Market is purchase based. Such as if we want one thing, then we can purchase it like from here, and they don't have common items. The items that is in Envato Elements are not present in Envato Market. Similarly, and Inverter Market is somewhat premium store and has got a variety of whatever you like in the creative field, like in web development, in codings, plugins to increase your functionality. There are several plugins like Java, HTML5, PHP scripts, and several of the popular codes along with their ratings and sales. Now we have stock footage for the video. Now we can use some After Effects, Premiere Pro, stock footage, motion graphics, add-ons. Yeah, it all seems nice. And it has got web themes and templates. I myself use Envato themes. Have you visited my website? Yes, see, this is the Envato theme I have used, and all the things you can see from here how well the Envato theme works. And see, so it's basically it gives you very premium feel for a decent amount of money, I must say. And now moving back to it, we have some audios like royalty free music and audio tracks from $1. So there will not be any licensing issue or any such kinds of issue. We have all these images and all their sounds. Yeah, these all sounds, and these can be downloaded with license. There are numerous elements and we can search it as you like, and it can be used. There are several filters and sorting options that will help you finding your surfing for music easy. Moving on with graphics, there are so many options for fonts, logos, and presentations. Let's see what we have got in store for us. Featured graphics mainly for if you are interested in improving your graphics and introducing some infographics, something like that. And now moving on to stock photos, the clicked photos that can be easily downloaded and with license. As you can see, there are several features that they have mentioned. Top quality stock photos for your project, royalty free, pedestrians. What was that? Pre-strain, press it, train, whatever. And now we can move on to 3D files, adding another dimension to your work and giving your 3D look. that's a priority as it's a new trend. So 3D models can be used with this option, and we can separately purchase the license for such items. So it can be a useful tool. Envato Market as well as Envato Elements can be used, but the point to be noted here is Envato Elements is subscription based, just like your Netflix as and Amazon Prime, while the Envato Market, it's basically once you buy it and then you can have license for individual items, while Envato Elements offer all your content for a time being for free, as long as its subscription lasts, and you can renew your subscription uh, one after the another. But once you have the license, you can use in this in particular project endlessly. So I hope you might have found my video useful, and do like and share if you want, and stay tuned for more. I am Ayush.